Yeah, hi Fred, number three. Okay, all done for you. Again, it's had a service. I've checked the cogs on that one. They're all pretty good cogs, to be honest with you, because they are, reasonably good units. They don't seem to me like they've had a real hammering. Like a jukebox in a pub. But these ones are all good for you, Fred. So yeah, I've put a new laser in there for you as well. So obviously you've got a guarantee with me. I'll always look after you, mate. You ever get any problems, you know that. So yeah, that's all working there as it should be. I'll just turn that up for you. You can listen to a bit of music. So yeah, you can hear that going. It's my little test CD. I always use a scratched CD as well, because if there is any faults, they show up more on a scratch CD. And this one is, it's a great CD that I use. I'll run this and it's showing no errors. So, and this is scratched to bits. So yeah, okay, Fred. That's another one for you. Again, thank you ever so much. I really appreciate your business, and you're a top guy, mate. And thanks for giving me all your business, mate. I do appreciate it. So thank you very much, buddy.